Yo, what this man I say? Yo, this man. When I hear that this man I say, yo, somebody bomba. Yo, brother, I'm me a the guy and sugar. That me I say.
Yo, bro, yeah, I go send the money in the Z, so just look
Yeah,
out for
man.
it, that's it.
Alright, the man send the money. Yo, send the money, boy, today or tomorrow. Is it? Yeah, man.
Oh, I'm gonna make you get it if
Yeah,
not
man,
today
today
or
or tomorrow.
tomorrow, is it? So, yo, just go and brace yourself.
Hold on. Text the girl. Oh, some man not come in there. No, just remember, you know. I wonder what I'm going to feel. Because, yo, I'm going to miss she not text me like, she said she done over her mother. But, why if I do over her mother, yeah? No, man. This is
Hello.
sorry. Who this? Brother, where you do my girl phone?
Bro, my girl nowhere.
What's your girl? Yo, I'm going to get bad. Yo, oh, give me girl her phone right now. What that mean today, yeah?
My girl nowhere. My girl no, just know that. No say my girl nowhere.
Hey, boy, you think you know me?
That man I can.
Know me? I want you. And you know, stay safe. Where your phone there?
Me no know.
I can kill you.